Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons and financial advice. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience, are down in the description below. Choosing between Fifth Third Bank and Huntington Bank? Let's break down their features and benefits to help you make the right choice for your financial goals. Fifth Third Bank is a long-standing regional institution boasting over 1,100 branches nationwide. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial services catering to individuals, businesses, and corporations. Whether you need a checking or savings account, credit card, personal loan, or investment services, Fifth Third likely has you covered. Their strength lies in blending traditional in-person banking with robust digital options. With a strong online presence, convenient mobile banking, and a widespread network of physical branches, Fifth Third provides accessible and personalized support. They also offer competitive interest rates on products like auto loans and mortgages, coupled with dependable customer service. Huntington Bank, another regional bank, provides a similar range of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment options. However, Huntington differentiates itself through innovative features. Their 24-hour grace period provides an extra day to cover overdrafts and avoid fees, a significant advantage. Furthermore, Huntington Voice, their smart banking assistant, lets customers manage their finances using voice commands. For those who prefer branchless banking, Huntington Perks offers cashback rewards on purchases, adding extra value and making it a compelling choice for reward-focused customers. So, which bank comes out on top? It depends on your priorities. If you value a traditional banking experience with a wide array of services and convenient physical locations, Fifth Third Bank might be the better fit. However, if innovative features, customer-friendly policies like 24-hour grace, and attractive cashback rewards appeal to you, Huntington Bank emerges as the stronger contender. For a deeper dive into each bank's offerings, explore the links in the description and select the bank that best aligns with your financial needs and lifestyle.